guys, I have a quick update video for you. Last Monday I made a video called how to make a masterboard and how to use it. I made a lovely masterboard. I absolutely adored it. So what I did, I scanned it, cut it to pieces and made pockets and tags and journal cards and such. Loved them as well and scanned those as well. Now, what happened was I got, I believe, 3 comments from 3 ladies, lovely ladies, that reminded me, Margaret, are you sure everything on there is copyright free? I don't know. I didn't take that into consideration. Let me tell you what happened. So Monday, I made this big masterboard using my scraps, my ephemera scraps, all sorts. Something like this. This is a completely new one. I did not take into consideration that everything was copyright free because it wasn't my intention to scan it and put it on my KoFi account. However, it turned out so wonderfully that I thought you guys might like it, and actually you do. But 3 of you lovely ladies reminded me, Margaret, are you sure everything on there is copyright free? And then I started to panic. I don't know. I actually don't know because I'm not really up to date with that. But guys, to be sure, I made a completely new one. To the best of my knowledge, everything on here is copyright free. I do apologize for the confusion. So the old set has been removed from my KoFi account, and this is the new set. Let me show you the new set. Again, I made a very big one, an A3 size. Yeah. So if you have an A3 printer, you can make a very big one like this. If not, then you can just print it on A4. Still very, very lovely. So this is the big collage, and from the big collage, I made 3 beautiful journal cards, like so. Then 3 large tags, like this, and 4 pockets. So it's a very similar set to the one that was on there, but the images are different, and these are for sure copyright free. The videos that had links to the previous digital set have been replaced with this set. There are 2 videos where I've actually shown the older set, and in that video, in the description box, I will put a link to this video. Yes, so that you can see what you're actually going to get when you buy this set. So I know it's a little bit confusing. I am so sorry for that. I will pay better attention in future. So this is a separate video talking all about the new Eclectic set, and I will probably show this one in a later video, just in case you missed this one. So guys, again, my apologies. I hope it is not that confusing. If you have any questions, you can email me. Email me at sevenplaza.yt@gmail.com. Yeah, I will link that one below. So in this description box, there is a link to my KoFi account for this set, and I'll put in my email address for further questions if you have some concerns or what have you. I'll be back again tomorrow with a more pleasant video than this one. I'll see you then. Bye guys.